What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna talk about how to make your car a race car and do all that stuff. And I'm just gonna talk about some stuff which happened to me in 2 days. I haven't filmed all of that, so I'm just gonna tell you all that. And I think my car is really dirty and I'm gonna clean it and I'm gonna show you all that process, and I'm gonna talk to you with that because I think it's just gonna make it more entertaining while I'm doing something and then talking. Before I was just like talking and it wasn't that entertaining. I was just giving you some context about something and I don't think it was that enjoyable. So I'm gonna do that and you'll watch something, plus I'll just talk on the topic which I want to talk about. You can see my car is really dirty and there is a lot of stuff on my car. Birds have pooped over my car and there is a lot of dirt on my car. This is the things which are on my car, a lot of bird poop, and plus I have a lot of dirt. So I'm just gonna clean it and I'm gonna show you the after product. So today early in the morning I just came out in my balcony and I was looking at my car. I do that usually every single day because I'm just like obsessed with my car at this point too. So I just like to look over it and I felt like it is leaning over front right side. So I was just like really skeptic about that and I was feeling that it is punctured, and I was really unhappy about that because yesterday I took my car somewhere and the air was low and I refilled the air and I was thinking like, is this a thing? My car is tilted, that's why it is looking like that. But when I saw it, I was like, that's not a nice thing, and I just changed my tire, and that was not the best thing that happened with me today. So early in the morning I was not happy about that and I just changed the tire, and I'm gonna do that after some time. So now I have to go and get the tire repaired, I have to get the puncture repaired, and then I have to put that wheel back on my car because at this time I have the spare tire on my car and which doesn't look nice. I'm gonna show you the spare tire. So this is the spare tire. This is the normal spare tire which most of the cars have, and I also have this spare tire. It is 195. Yup, it is 195 and it is a good tire. Yup, I can just use it. 195/65 R15. So this is a nice tire which is like usable. So I have just put this tire and I'm gonna get it fixed. I'm gonna get my tire fixed and then I'll do something else. Like first I'm gonna wash my car and then I'm gonna get my tire fixed. So it took me an hour to clean that car and it's like really long, and I haven't talked about anything in the video. So I was talking about there was a puncture early in the morning as I told you, and I changed it, and I was just like I didn't like it because I have to put the spare on which doesn't look nice, and now I have to get that tire fixed, the puncture fixed, and then I have to put my aftermarket wheels on my car, and then I have to put my spare back in my trunk. I'm just going to show you the after product while I have cleaned my car, and now my car looks really nice and better than before, and you are also going to like it because it's really clean. I'm gonna take a closer shot. Like now it does looks really clean and nice. The roof also looks nice, and all the gunk and all of that is just like gone, and there is few water drops on my car. I am gonna clean that, but at this time I'm just showing you guys how clean my car looks now, and it's just like really clean from all of the sides. So I'm just like really happy about what I did and what I achieved with this. So the wheels also look nice and clean, and I just took a lot of my time to clean those wheels, and it was just like nice. You'll be able to see there are a lot of scratches on my car, as this one, my brother did this. He was parking my car and there was a bike standing on the left side and he didn't saw it, and the handle just like scraped on my car, and some dude just did something to my car. I never noticed this. I noticed it today when I was washing my car. And there are few scratches here. Somebody keyed my car from here to here, which doesn't look nice. It's not visible on camera. Like it is a little bit visible, but not that much. As you can see, yeah, now it's visible. You can see that my car was keyed. And from the rear it's okay. I just have to get new logos for my car. I went yesterday to buy logos, but they weren't available to any shop. I just have to order them online. I'll show you the flat tire, how that happened, and all of the things. So this is my flat tire, and I have just kept it on the upper side of here because I just want to get it fixed. So I don't want to keep it inside, and it's really dirty. I know that. I haven't cleaned this one. I'm gonna clean this tomorrow, but I haven't checked it, but it was flat from that side, like really flat. So it must have got flat yesterday, and today I just saw it, and it was just like sitting on this flat tire for whole night. That's why it was like coming till here, and this tire was just like really deformed. So I just changed it, and I'm gonna get it fixed today or tomorrow. I'll just see. So I was just gonna talk about how to make a race car and how to turn your car into a race car. You can just sticker your cars and it's just gonna look like a race car, and it's gonna look way better than before. I am gonna do that after some time. Yeah, it's just like a racer thing, but it looks nice, and for some time I think I can try that, and I can try that phase of my car. I think it is gonna look nice, and I'll definitely try it. You can also try it, and you should try it, because no, you shouldn't care about anyone. Nobody cares like what you have on your car, and you should do it, and just let's see what's gonna happen and how it looks. I'm happy about how my car turned out after cleaning, and it's just like I don't do that very often because my car gets really dirty every single time. Like I am sure about this. I have cleaned my car right now, and when I'm gonna come back after a few hours, it's just gonna be really dirty. I have seen that. That's the main reason I just don't clean it every single day. I do it in every couple of days or every single week or something like that, but I don't do it every single day because it gets really dirty really easily. Just while standing here, it's just gonna collect some dust. Like there is a lot of dust in the air, and it just collects on my car, and it looks really bad after that. So I just have to leave it because I have tried it for cleaning my car every single day, and it was really hectic, and I just stopped doing that. So yesterday I went to get an exhaust for my car, and it was a really bad deal. I went there, and he was just not giving me that product for a good price. He was just asking way too much. So I came back home. I'm gonna order a new exhaust for my car online, and it's just gonna be way cheaper. I'm gonna order a few products for my car, and then let's just see what's gonna happen. That person wasn't giving me that exhaust for a good price, and I'm looking for a really nice exhaust, as I have told you guys, and I'm gonna get that exhaust eventually, but you just guys have to wait for some time, and after that it's gonna be a really nice reveal, and I'm pretty sure my car is gonna sound really nice than this thing. Like at this time it just doesn't sound nice, and after this, when I'm gonna get my exhaust, it's gonna sound way better than this. So I hope it was just like a nice video and entertaining video. This was a chill video in which I wasn't talking about that much. I was just showing you guys, and it was being entertaining. So I hope you liked it, and just smash the like button and subscribe to my channel because that helps me a lot. So thank you guys for watching. Peace out.